Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. My name is Saida Sala and I'm foundational level student at Rehan School. So viewers, today I will give you a direct stock review of John Arthur Holt and the title was Courage the Cowardly Dog. So let's begin. Courage the Cowardly Dog is an extraordinarily imaginative, emotionally layered and intellectually engaging animated series that redefines what a cartoon can achieve by masterfully blending psychological horror, surrealism, dark comedy, and deeply human themes into a powerful and unforgettable narrative experience. At the center of this unique world is Courage, a small pink dog who lives in an isolated farmhouse in the middle of nowhere with his gentle and loving honor, morale, and her frankly irritable and selfish husband, Vistas. From the beginning, Courage is depicted as extremely fearful, often overreacting to every minor disturbance, yet this environment is anything but ordinary as he is repeatedly confronted with bizarre, unsettling, and often terrifying events that would challenge even the bravest individuals. Each episode introduced strange and mysterious threats ranging from eerie monsters and supernatural forces to curse subjects, and particular strangers creating a constant sense of unpredictability and suspense. Despite his instant fear and instinct to hide, Courage consistently chooses to face these dangers, motivated by his deep love and loyalty toward Morale, who represents warmth, kindness, and emotional security in his life. This ongoing internal struggle between fear and bravery forms the emotional foundation of series, illustrating a profound truth. Courage is not about being fearless, but about taking action in the presence of fear. As the story unfolds, the series deals the complex and often thought-provoking themes such as isolation, abandonment, trust betrayal, compassion, greed, emotional trauma, and the consequence of human behavior, presenting them through symbolic and sometimes surreal narratives that encourage viewers to reflect more deeply on life and relationships. The show's artist direction further enhance its impact, combining traditional animation techniques with experimental visuals, distorted imagery, and haunting sound designed to create an atmosphere that feels both dreamlike and unsettling. This distinctive style allows the series to explore abstract ideas and emotions in ways which are usually compelling and psychologically engaging. Moments of humor are skillfully interwoven with sense of tension and fear, creating a balance that keeps the audience both entertained and emotionally invested. Over time, courage evolves from a simple frightened character into a powerful symbol of resilience, empathy, and inner strength, demonstrating that even those who feel weak or overwhelmed by fear can rise to become protectors when driven by love and determination. His journey served as a reminder that bravery is a choice, one that requires effort, heart, and perseverance, and that truth strength the timeless message the series, combined with its originality, creativity, and emotional depth, ensures that it remains not just a source of entertainment but also a meaningful and lasting influence on viewers, encouraging them to convert their fears, value compassion, and recognize the strength that lies within themselves. So, viewers, this is my direct stop review of this video. I hope you like it. Wishing you all the best for your future watching me. Stay connected with me for more inspiring direct talk review and I will give you. So till then, take care. Pakistan Zindabad, Rehan School Zindabad. Allah Hafiz.